From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
It's yet another night that you're going to have to protect that tender vegetation if you've done some planting already so far this year. We're talking about a freeze warning in effect for tonight and through our Wednesday morning as well. For temperatures tonight, a few degrees colder than what we had last night. But the good news, we'll get a break from this for a couple days before we head back to cooler weather into the weekend. Here's your hourly forecast for tonight, dropping through the 30s for the next few hours and getting into the 20s after midnight, bottoming out for most of us somewhere in the mid to upper 20s around daybreak. Clear skies, and they'll be warm quickly through the 30s and 40s, well into the 50s as we head into the afternoon hours with plenty of sunshine around. FUTURECAST here showing us starting to drop below freezing in some spots by 10 p.m., if not already before then, across southern middle Tennessee. All of us headed for that by daybreak, and I think FUTURECAST not getting quite as chilly as what it will be by daybreak. I think much of southern middle Tennessee here is chilly as 24 to 28 degrees, and northwest Alabama likely 28 to 30 for many of us, possibly some 26 and 27 degree readings over northwest Alabama as well. Mostly clear skies, a light northerly wind that becomes southerly through the day as high pressure shifts across the area. Will be into the mid, if not upper 50s in spots by the afternoon, with mostly sunny to sunny skies, and then a few high clouds start to move in by the evening, and that's going to help insulate us to where we're not as chilly. And then a southerly wind also helps, so it's not as chilly during the overnight hours of Wednesday. We're talking about most everyone staying above freezing for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. High pressure shifting off to the east, giving us more of a southerly wind for our Wednesday and especially Thursday here. Clouds on the increase Thursday. Staying dry through the vast majority of the daytime hours, but maybe close to sunset, the showers and thunderstorms move in, and the showers and thunderstorms likely for Thursday night and through at least the first half of Friday. Some locally heavy downpours possible. Not seeing any signs of a severe weather threat in the local area, though, and the cooler air behind that cold front as we head into the weekend. Here's the temperature trend for the next 5 days, and you'll notice that we're heading back to the mid to upper 40s for daytime highs over the weekend after being in the mid 60s Thursday and lower 60s on Friday, and morning lows over the weekend back below freezing. So you're going to have to do more of covering that tender vegetation over the weekend. Not quite fully into spring yet, and even early next week when we officially get into spring, still looking on the chilly side just a little bit, especially by mid to late March standards. Your first cup forecast as you grab that first cup of coffee in the morning before headed out the door. Clear skies out there starting the day, but temperatures also starting in the mid to upper 20s for most of us, but we warm quickly into the mid to upper 50s by the afternoon. Mostly sunny skies, southern middle Tennessee, between 54 and 58 degrees for most of us, and then most everyone into the mid to upper 50s over northwest Alabama with sunny skies for our Wednesday here. Your 7-day forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center looks like this. Dry for Wednesday, dry for almost all of the daytime hours for Thursday as well. And then towards sunset, showers and thunderstorms become more likely. That continues overnight Thursday night into at least the first half of Friday. Locally heavy downpours possible at times. No widespread flooding expected. No severe storms expected. Clearing and cooler for the weekend. And then we'll watch another disturbance early next week, late Monday night into Tuesday. We have rain in the forecast, but I will warn you that with the Gulf of Mexico low nearby, snow will not be too far away, probably into the eastern mountains of Tennessee, east of the Cumberland Plateau, down into North Georgia, and maybe into the mountains of northeast Alabama as well. I think for our local area of southern middle Tennessee, northwest to north central Alabama and northeast Mississippi, I think we're too warm to see a wintry mix here. So we're forecasting all rain for now, but we'll watch it in case that changes. So keep checking back with the forecast over the next few days. But for the local viewing area, we just have rain in the forecast for now. That's your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rawson is in the Weather Center tomorrow morning, filling in for Ben Luna with all your latest weather information.